Welcome to Nutric Food Show 3rd Ramadan Meal Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Replenish your energy levels by a healthy and balanced diet. Take at least 8 to 10 glasses of water regularly. Wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: half bowl green veggie raita including green chili, mint, coriander, peas and cucumber, half roti, 2 scrambled eggs, 2 tablespoon honey, 6 almonds.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 2 dates, 1 bowl melon, 2 baked chicken drumsticks.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 1 small bowl mixed veg salad, 2 or 3 lauki kebab with tomato sauce. Exercise for 3rd day.
Do 20 minutes aerobics.
Take 2 minutes deep breath. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.